First, I will tell you the process. Before that, I recommended you to watch the full video without skipping. If you skip, you will miss the process. So you must need two persons to do that. You can get help from your friend. The trick is person 1 asking their names and person 2 will guess the name. So I will tell you how to do that. First, open your browser and search video chat extension on Google. Then go to the first link and install it. After that, open Ome TV. Now you should select Advanced Mode and click on OK. In next window, click on Close. Now you can see you have new settings on Ome TV. Now go to the video chat extension settings and turn on 3 settings. Find and turn on auto skip wrong country. So it will skip other countries and it helps you to connect the same person over and over again. Also find and turn on skip men and auto ban. This will skip men and ban in their IP addresses, so you will never meet them. Now select your country and start chat with person 1. So now you will get a girl and talk with her. Then ask her name, country or anything that you want. Now take a screenshot or remember her. After that, stop Ome TV and start again with person 2. After 10 to 20 strangers, you will connect into the same person that your person 1 talked earlier. So now you can do the prank because you know her name and address. So this is the process of that. I hope you will get the idea. If you have any problem related with this content, then you can comment it. Also subscribe and help me to grow my channel. Thanks for watching.